Hi everyone, and welcome back to Virtual Storytime. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying fall. The leaves have really changed color. They look so beautiful, and it's been blustery and chilly. I think winter might be on its way soon. But anyways, we should get started with our opening song. Here we go. Let's all clap 'cause we're all here, we're all here, we're all here. Let's all clap 'cause we're all here today. Wonderful! So before we do our book, we're going to start off with the Itsy Bitsy Spider. All right, so let's get our spiders up and ready to go. Are you ready? Here we go. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Do you think we can do that one more time? All right, let's get our spiders ready again. Here we go. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Good job, everybody! I bet you did amazing, even though I can't see you. All right, so I have a book here with me, and it is called Because, and it is all about music. Are you ready? Because a man named Ludwig wrote beautiful music. A man named Franz was inspired to create his own. Because many years later, people wanted to hear Franz's beautiful music. They formed an orchestra. Because a man had practiced since he was a kid, he was asked to join. Do any of you play musical instruments? Or maybe you'd like to play a musical instrument when you get older? I played the viola for, probably about 8 years. It's quite a long time, but I loved it. Because a woman studied night and day, she too was asked to play. Because many others loved and practiced their instruments, there were enough musicians. Because someone created a poster about Franz's music. See, she's on the computer there making a poster, kind of like what we do at the library when we make posters for things. Because the train conductor stopped the train at the Grand Concert Hall, the orchestra conductor arrived. Because the orchestra librarian had copies of the score, the orchestra rehearsed. Look at all those people. Look at that. And they all have their musical instruments. We got some violins over here, and we have drums. Because workers checked the lights and the seats and swept the floors, the grand hall was ready. Because the time had come, the ushers opened the doors. Because someone's uncle caught a cold. Uh-oh, that's no fun. Someone's aunt had an extra ticket for someone special. pages are a little tricky. Because the usher helped the ant and her someone special, they found their seats. Now, can you see who that someone special is? She's right there. Looks like a little girl. Because everyone was there to hear beautiful music, it was quiet. Shh. Look at that. We have the orchestra. They're all standing there and they're all ready to play. And look at that. They've started playing and their beautiful music is going all throughout the grand hall. It almost looks magical, doesn't it? In row C, seat 14, sat the girl with the uncle's ticket. She heard the beautiful music written by the man named Franz, and it had changed her. The girl was changed. Look at that, it looks like she's still thinking about that music she heard after the concert. See? She's still thinking about it. From that moment on, the girl learned everything she could about music because it fed her. Soon, she started to write music too because, like Franz, the young woman had something to share. You see that? She's learning all sorts of different instruments, and she's writing her own music. Maybe that'll be played someday. Over time, the woman became very good because she worked very hard. One night, her music was discovered because she was also very lucky. Looks like she's conducting her own orchestra, see? Then she was invited to perform her music at the Grand Concert Hall because so many people wanted to hear it. Her composition was dedicated to the uncle in row C, seat 14, because it was his ticket that brought her there. And that night, someone else was changed. That is how it happens. And it's kind of hard to see, but you have another person down here that's thinking about the music and being changed, just like the girl was. All right, the end. That is a wonderful story. I love music, and it's so cool to think about how somebody's music can inspire somebody else to write their own. All right, so before we go, I have one more thing for you. We are going to sing the ABCs. All right, so let's do that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, I hope you enjoyed singing the ABCs with me. it is time to go because that's all I have for you today. So let's do our closing song and get our waving hands up. Here we go. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!